In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Walmart gift card balance. We'll walk through the simple online process together so you can quickly confirm how much is left on your card before you shop. I'll also share helpful context and a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly and securely. First, head to Walmart's official gift card balance checker. You can find it on Walmart's website. Just make sure the page address shows Walmart's domain and that your browser displays a secure connection. Using the official checker helps protect your card details and ensures you're getting accurate information. Once you're on the balance checker page, you'll be asked for the 16-digit gift card number. This number is typically printed on the front or back of the physical card. If you're using a digital gift card, you'll see the number in the digital card details you received. Type the 16 digits carefully, without spaces or dashes. If you make a typo, the site may return an error or show an incorrect result, so it's worth a quick double check before moving on. Next, enter the 4-digit PIN. On a physical gift card, the PIN is usually under a scratch-off panel on the back. Gently scratch to reveal it, taking care not to damage the numbers. For a digital card, the PIN will be shown alongside the card number in your digital card details. If your physical card doesn't have a visible PIN or it's unreadable, the site may not be able to check the balance. In that case, follow the guidance provided on Walmart's support resources. After you've entered the card number and PIN, click the button labeled Check Balance. The site may take a moment to process your request. If you're prompted with a quick verification, complete it and try again. Connection hiccups or browser autofill quirks can sometimes cause errors, so re-entering the details carefully often resolves most issues. Finally, view your remaining balance as it appears on the screen. This is the amount available to spend online or in-store. Keep in mind that taxes and fees at checkout can affect the final total, and certain transactions may place temporary holds until they settle. If the balance looks different than expected, double-check the digits you entered and try again to rule out a typing error. That's all there is to it. By using Walmart's official balance checker, entering your 16-digit card number and 4-digit PIN, clicking Check Balance, and reviewing the result, you'll always know exactly what you have to spend. Stay safe by keeping your card number and PIN private, and you're ready to shop with confidence.